Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a development that's going to take place in Vineyard Town. It's called the Vineyard Reserve. Now this is the property that they're going to build it. It looks like either a 5 or 6 story building, probably 5 stories based on the picture. And there you can see the sign up with all the information. They haven't started yet, but we were actually going to do a video on another development in Vineyard Town called the Vineyards at Deanery, which is 80 units mixed between studio and 2-bedroom, and it's going to be 2 5-story buildings. So we were passing and we saw this sign and we just decided to give you guys an update, because we'll keep checking back once they start and give you an update on it. So this is a new development that's coming. So as you can see, they haven't really started yet, but they have the sign up and they seem to have the approvals because they have the engineers, everything. So once they actually start the construction, we will continue giving you updates. So we're just going to drive through Vineyard Town now, and we're going to pass the other developments on Deanery Road that we were talking about, and we'll also have videos up of the other development. It's far advanced. I think the buildings are as high as they're going to be. I think they've put on all the floors. So we're going to turn right here onto Deanery Road and take a look at that development, and then head out to Mountain View Avenue. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.